How to create a glowing text effect in Canva. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a glowing text effect in the easiest way possible in less than 5 minutes. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more tutorials like these. Let's get started. Let's browse to the Canva home screen and click on Create a New Design. And let's go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a New Design. Let's change the background to something more interesting. Let's go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for Neon and click on Graphics. Let's scroll down and find an interesting neon background image. Okay. Let's select this image here and set this as the background. Now we have to go on the left hand side and click on Text and add a heading here. Let's type Glow. Okay, now we have to change the font. Let's go up here and click on Fonts and search for Outline. So now we can see several outline fonts options available on Canva. Let me select this font here for this example. Now we have to select this text and click on Effects. And as we can see a lot of options on the left hand side, let's select Neon and increase the intensity to 100. See, that was so easy. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these. And please add a comment if you have any questions.